Wow. Lots of slush. So, let the adventure begin. So we're at the Upper Clements trails. This used to be the old Upper Clements Wildlife Park. And for anybody that's ever been here, that used to be where you'd buy your admission or trinkets and like the gift shop type thing. You used to be able to go right in one. You used to be able to go right out that side and down through the trails. Abby very much wants to get going, so that's what we're gonna do. We left Cooper at home today. He's spending the day with Mom. Probably having a nice little day cuddled up by the fire. And Abby's probably just gonna love this because, yeah, the Moon Mist Trail. Yeah, I like it. That's like my favorite ice cream. Yeah, I was trying to just do my own thing, I guess. We go down this way. Let's go, Turkey. The Moon Mist Trail. Let's see what she's got serious today. I don't know where I was trying to go. Abby, slow. Good girl. So Cooper stays home today. He's with his mom. And we're just kind of seeing what's going on. Making the best of the day. It's too nice of a day to let go by. This is kind of Abby's prime, so pretty sure she's gonna love it. But we've had a significant amount of snow in the last couple days. And I've never been down through here in the winter, to be honest with you. I spent a lot of time down through here as a teenager, as I used to work at Upper Clements Park on the other side of the highway. It's all somewhat connected. There used to be a tunnel that you could, or culvert, that connected the two parks together, and I used to come across here, and I'd always have my lunch break over here when I worked at the park. Abby, this way, honey. Check. Okay. Make sure I'm doing where I'm supposed to go. There's a A few different trails that lead through here. Lead around. But this used to be the wildlife park. Looks a lot different now. Looks really different. There used to be a lynx cage up here. Big cats. That's one of the old ticket booths. Wow. What a shame that this is. Well, actually, this kind of stuff has all hit its life cycle, I guess. Oh yeah. We're not gonna go down here, but down off of that bridge. I believe that's where everybody used to stop and throw their penny or their nickel or dime, and he used to make a little wish. Yeah, kind of neat walking through some of these places when you haven't been back to them for, wow. Well, it's been 30 years. Well, 29. You can see where some of the old spots used to be. I'm not really sure what used to be where, to be honest with you. Although I'm pretty sure the bear enclosure will be pretty easy to spot. But yeah, it's definitely something different. I miss the amusement park. Don't miss what this, I don't know. Sanctuary's one thing, zoos are another. But I think this was more of a sanctuary or whatever, but yeah. What a beautiful spot to walk. I really like this. On one app it says that I can loop all the way around like the old trail used to do. Not the old trail, but the way that the park naturally flowed. And on another app it says that it only goes so far up. Pretty sure this is where the bears used to be. Yeah, he used to come all the way up and okay, there's another trail goes up through here. Gotta get Abby before she takes off. Yeah. So that's if we wanted to keep on going up through there. We'll do that maybe on a different day. I want to see if I can loop her around here. Let's go, hon. Yeah. She got the sniffer right to the ground. Up this way, honey. And this is a leashed park. The trail system. Honey, let me get my glove. Abby. What a cutie. The wash tub. It's pretty chilly out today. This is kind of worth it. 100% worth it, to be honest. What do you think, Eb? You got some fresh snow here. Yeah, you got some fresh snow. Yeah, it used to be pretty neat back in the day working here. Or having access to this every day when the animals were here. That was pretty neat. You don't really know how lucky you are, I guess, until some of that is just memories. Oh, phone down. Fail. Epic fail. Let's go, honey. Abby, stop home, please. Sweet pea. She's stuck on something. I believe this used to be the section he used to walk down, and it was fenced along here. And I believe that's where the deer used to be. Maybe they weren't deer. They probably were something different, but let's go, sweetie. Yeah. She gonna trip me up. This is pretty neat. That must have been a big cat enclosure or something, or I would say. Over in there. Wow. So weird now. So different. Yeah. I used to basically, this was basically my afternoon lunchtime loop when I was, when I was, I think it was the summer I turned 16. No, I was 17. That was my loop. I'd get a burger and a poutine from the Keji Lodge. I believe that's what it was. And I would do this loop, and I'd sit back there I believe it was right before we took the turn to come up through here, I believe was where the links were. And I always sat there because I always thought the paws, I could never get over the size of their paws and how beautiful they were. And just, whew, something got hit right there. Boom, boom. Hit it, hit it. They both landed. That was game. You never know what you'll see when you're out on fresh snow. You know, it's you see some creepy stuff. This used to be staff buildings. Some of it used to be. This little one here, I believe, was a staff building. So different now. I wish I could get back into Upper Clements Park one more time. And I remember that last year that it was going, family and stuff went. Not that anybody knew. I don't think anybody really knew what was going to happen. That it was going to be done for, but for as much time as I spent there as a youth, I remember going there. I believe it was opening day, if not opening weekend, but school was out, last day of school, come home off the school bus, and I think it was like a lunchtime let out. And we were going to Upper Clements theme park. And it was like, I still remember that. That was like, I might as well have went to Disney World. That was such a nice little spot for a small town we have. In small little communities, that was such a nice little thing to have here. It's a real shame that it's gone. Honey, she hasn't really settled into chilling by my side yet, but she's waited all year for a little walk like this in the snow. All kinds of snow. Can't really blame her. Well, we're back to not where we started, but this is we've just touched base with our original path, so we've looped back around. And now we head back down into the Jeep. Maybe we do a few more of these little walking videos, or take you guys along, take everybody along for Nice little stroll in some of these spots with us. If you enjoy it, let me know. Let me know in the comments, or but on some of these days when it's not so I don't want to be an obstacle or a safety concern out on the roads, and with the amount of snow that we've got, and it's just not really, it's not much of conditions for going out and filming. A lot of slush on the roads. It makes it slippery. But it also makes for a lot of stuff on screen. Abby, honey, come here. Thank you. That's pretty. Huh. What do you think of that, sweetheart? She's excited. Honey, you're wrapped up. She is still so wound up. Yes, you happy you got out today? Are we happy? She get little happy squeaks. What do you think, honey? Oh, some of them snowflakes. She got a big snowflake right on the back of her head. And against her black fur, you can see the actual design of the snow. You can see the actual design of the snowflake. It was pretty. Sometimes she just catches you like that. A little bit of beauty. Just enough brains. Honey, Evie, you gotta stop pulling so much, honey. It's alright until she really, like, you can tell she's like kind of digging it, like, I will bring you up this hill, Dad. It's that milk cart hauling that she just wants, you know, it's right in their genes. I guess it's what they were bred to do. It's funny, you can see her little butt sunk right down in. She's digging, she's pulling. It ain't doing no good though. That was a nice little walk. For as snowy as it was. Ow. It's kind of like walking on sand when you're on this like semi-pack stuff. Come here, hon. No, that's deep. That was a bad trick, huh? Dad pulled a trick on you. I didn't see it. I seen it at the last minute. It was a ditch. She's got pretty good four-wheel drive. She'd be alright. So there it is. and his barcode, or whatever you want to call it. I'm old school. But yeah. That's where we was. Check it out. And if you can, come do the loop yourself. Pretty nice walk. Brought back a little bit of memories for me. I'm glad I could take you along. So, until the next one, which probably won't be that long, because she likes to do stuff. And I like to take her to do it, so. Thank you for coming. But there's more trails up through there. There's there's cross-country skiing, there's bike trails, there's all kinds of stuff that's available here. So, come check it out. But once again, thank you for coming. And we'll see you next time.